run starts, right? So it's activated and it don't run. And when it run, it's going to attach itself to cloth, fabric, and the fabric starts to burn as well, right? One or more. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, I just want you to be sure because you are looking at me like, am I explaining it? I just want to be sure that you know that fire too can attach itself to something. And fire actually is a living organism, right? You know that? You don't know. Fire breathes. Fire finds escape routes. Fire wraps itself around stuff. Fire dictates how it wants to move. Fire controls and fire kills. Fire destroys and fire helps. Fire decides where it wants to go. And fire uses the air, like we breathe, to activate itself. We are going to the esoteric level now.
Could you repeat that one more time?
It's not about being greedy, but don't reveal the whole length of the yam. Don't reveal the whole length. Give them just a bit, right? You reveal everything, then they can take the whole thing away from you. See how it's turned to that. Now, if you use this with pinching your nose, you get that sound. If you say it without pinching your nose, you get that sound. Will you? Echo. Echo aleo. Echo aleo. Right? Echo aleo. You see how it sounds? Clear. So it's observation. People observing them. Yoruba didn't even name themselves. People name us Yoruba, right? Yeah, because you can't explain what Yoruba is. Yes, could be fire, could be in a stadium. So you can say, Ekabo. If it's a little child, Kabo. If it's a little child talking to an elderly person, Ekabo, right? If it's somebody talking to his age mate and it's a stranger, Ekabo, still, out of respect. You know, it could change in the next second, right? If that one open his mouth and start acting a fool, then you can change that word to, Monkato Sonny. Or when that O drops, you know that's the end of it. You have no respect anymore, right? That person doesn't have respect for you anymore when the O drops, right? But it's so hard. When the O drops to an elderly person and he's seeing a little kid saying, oh, and then the O should be too heavy in the mouth of a child to say to an adult. Yoruba personality, yes, question?
Yes.
Arafera, Arafera, together. We are together, we're holding you, but ku. Minus. Ku. Not kun. Not ku. Ku. It goes down now. And that is we'll be talking about that down accent. There's a lot deeper into that as well. They said everything down. Notice that most of the Yoruba words you will hear, if it's going down, mostly it's depressive stuff. It's depression, right? If it's going down. Yoruba will say, Ohun buruku amarelu, ohun buruku, ohun buruku, amarelu, ohun buruku. Buruku, down.